That was hilarious. He was like, "Bleh." Should I belch?
What do you got?
Yeah, belch?
What do you got?
Oh, yeah. Yeah! He about knocked himself over laughing.